This is Calvin Roth, Procurement Manager for Vision Corporation. Executing an enforceable contract is a critical step in formalizing a supplier award and managing supplier risk. Today, Calvin needs to create a new contract for one of his suppliers. He starts by navigating to the contract's homepage. Next, he enters parameters such as the business unit, the contract type, the vendor, and the transaction currency. He also enters a description for the contract, the version, and the amount. Oracle Procurement Contracts is a highly collaborative application. Using the Parties link in the task pane, Calvin adds Mei Ji as the buyer and defines her access privileges. In this case, he selects Read from the drop-down list. He can also define specific deliverables to the contract by clicking on the Create icon. Calvin inserts language asking the supplier to provide proof of insurance by attaching their insurance certificate. Next, he sets a due date to ensure the contract is reviewed in a timely manner. Another key feature of Oracle Contracts Cloud is the ability to review version and amendment history via the History link. Clicking on the Contract Terms subtab, Calvin sees that the Facilities Service Agreement template is being used to define the contract. Templates for each contract type and pre-populated terms streamline the contract authoring process. By clicking on the Expand All action in the Clauses pane, Calvin reviews the predefined language for all clauses in the contract. He can easily add values and parameters to existing clauses through the Contract Expert, which he accesses from the Actions button. The Contract Expert uses guided navigation to walk him through the process of amending the clause. In the Insurance clause, Calvin enters the monetary value for this particular purchase of $10,000. Next, Calvin adds language governing the disposal and handling of hazardous materials. This provides another layer of risk protection for the company. He selects Yes from the drop-down list, adding this to the clause. He selects No to the question about subcontracting or contract assignment. The Clause Details icon allows him to review the language he's adding before he completes his edits. When done, Calvin closes the Contract Expert. The contract is now ready for internal approval before sending to the supplier for signature. With features such as predefined templates, searchable repositories, amendment tracking, and renewal notifications, Oracle Procurement Contracts Cloud provides customers like Calvin Roth with the tools they need to successfully manage their entire contract authoring lifecycle.